You're trying to eat healthy the majority of the time to allow you to get results. So like I said before, the 80 to 90% of the time is what you're trying to aim for, but you have to be able to enjoy other foods. You have to be able to enjoy things you like. Maybe not like all these healthy foods. Obviously, I'm trying to get you to the point where you're developing a liking for these healthy foods. It makes it much easier to get results. But what do you do for those times that you don't really want to eat healthy, you have those cravings, other things? Food policies and food trade-offs. Now, this concept developed from Brian Wansink in his book, Mindless Eating. I love it. I absolutely love it. Food policies. What this looks like is this. Something like saying, I will only have sweets on the weekends. It's a policy. You determine beforehand, I will have sweets at a specific point in time. This can help you stay on track. So, only weekends I will have sweets. Or I can only have, this during the week after exercise. That's an example of food policy. The second thing though, number 2, food trade-offs. This is going to be if I do X, then Y. So, if I do a strength workout and cardio in a day, I can have dessert that night, let's just say. I'm using desserts a lot because I like desserts. I enjoy them. I like to have them too. I don't like to deprive myself of those. But how do you fit those in? These types of things. So you can use a food trade-off. I can only have it if this happens. Food policies, food trade-offs. These are just another tool in your toolbox to help you manage your lifestyle, your day-to-day, and how do I go through these things? But you have to decide these beforehand. You can't just say, now my policy is this. So when you're getting started with this whole thing, as you go through this course in the beginning, establish some food policies and food trade-offs. You can brainstorm a few different things and maybe have one rule for both. One rule for either one of these. You have your food policies, your food trade-offs. Trading X, Y, X for Y, whatever. Food policy only happens if this happens. Those types of things. They're, again, tools to help you, but I think they become much more valuable as time goes on. And again, playing the long-term game, they're going to be good. So, food policies, food trade-offs, don't forget about these. Also, next lectures are coming up. Here we go.